Another bad point on this car is there's no oil dipstick in the engine. On the petrol models there isn't. So any of these F30s with the petrol, there's no dipstick at all. The way you have to check your oil is vehicle info, vehicle status, and then you have to measure your engine oil, which you can't do unless the engine oil is warm, which is terrible. Because say you're running low on oil already, you have to start the car. Say you have no oil in the car, just pretend this scenario. Say you have no oil in the car, you don't know that. To check that you even have any oil, you have to start up the car and run it for about till it gets up to temperature, which is not possible. So that's the bad thing. You have to take all this into account. So yeah, that's a really bad design. They've done it on all these newer ones as well. They really do need to stop it, because it's just terrible. You should have that option to have the dipstick. You know what I mean? It's just a normal thing to check oil. You should be able to check the oil without a reliance on a sensor, because that sensor goes bad, then you could potentially damage your engine by not knowing how much oil is in there. Because when that sensor goes bad, there's no way for it to tell you that the sensor's gone bad. It doesn't usually notify you that the sensor's gone bad. The only way you'd find out is if there's very big inconsistencies. Say you filled up oil and then it comes up that there's no oil or something. That's when you know that there could be a problem there. But you don't actually know if the sensor's bad or not. That's the thing about this car. And there's been a few lawsuits on this exact matter because people have done that.